Hello, I'm Eric, and today in my demo, I'm going to calculate the power of my speaker and confirm the logarithmic nature of decibel levels. For this demonstration, I used a speaker, a smartphone with a microphone, a measuring tape, and a table covered with a blanket. The table is covered with a blanket to reduce vibrations and noises from the speaker and table. The first thing I had to do was install a decimeter application onto my smartphone. Then I had to find where my smartphone's microphone was. It was near the smartphone speaker, and its location will be used as the location of the detector during the demo. I placed the measuring tape along the table and placed the edge of the speaker on the 2 centimeter mark, to account for the shape of the speaker, which has a small cutout. Once prepared, I decided to measure the decimal level every 5 centimeters from the speaker. The decibel reading often fluctuated, so I had to wait until the average value became constant before recording it. I went from 5 centimeters to 60 centimeters to hopefully get plenty of data to make a recognizable portion of a graph. We can calculate the power of the speaker by using the decibel equation. After we divide by 10 on both sides, we can utilize the property of logarithms. We can use the logarithm space and raise it by the left side of the equation to get rid of the logarithm. Now we can divide both sides by I0 and rewrite intensity as power divided by area. Finally, we can move area onto the right side of the equation to get an equation for power. With the data and expression entered into Excel, we can see the experimental power of my speaker varies between 2.6 and 4.3 times 10 to the negative 6 watts. While this data has been entered, we can also enter the data into a scatter plot, and notice that it looks similar to a log 1 over x or log 1 over x squared graph segment. To confirm our suspicions, we can use the average power and the original decibel equation to plot an entire decibel versus radius graph. This shows that decibel levels are logarithmic.